Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So happy you are here and watching my latest video. I did want to do a small voiceover because this girl I'm creating is an old class of mine, or old, about 2 or 3 years back. Back then I had a Facebook group and I did live classes in that group, and this is a video, one of those classes. Facebook has announced to delete all the old videos from groups, so some of them are very cool and I thought I'd do edit them and post them on my YouTube. Sometimes my head really gets in the way, so I'm sorry for that. I've tried to edit it out as much as possible without losing a lot of content. So bear with me, I'm just trying to edit as good as possible. This is some kind of panel. I don't know how it's called in English, but later on in the video you can see it when I hold it straight. And I started by jassoing the background, and this is a charcoal I use. I love to play with charcoal. It's really dirty. Your hands get really dirty, but I like it. And you can see in the video, I struggle a little bit creating her, and that's the way I teach, always have been teaching. I've been on Let's Face It and a lot of other classes I've taught, and always I tell my students to embrace the imperfections. Making art can be really intimidating, really hard, and sometimes it's just, I don't know, it can be very hard making art, and there was so much talented artists on YouTube and all over the globe, but I think that everybody has his own style, and I'm really for imperfection, I love to teach beginner classes. I love to teach people who are insecure in their art, and because I have been to and still am sometimes, but I'm all for embracing every journey, every level of art making, and so this class was all about that. You can see I play a lot with a very mixed media, a lot of different mediums I use. I will try and put as much of them in the description box below. In the end, I struggled making this girl. You can see that in the video. I struggled a lot, and I'm all for letting that see to people. I mean, there is no artist who doesn't struggle. Every level, every artist does struggle making art. It can be very hard, and everybody has a learning curve. Doesn't matter which level you are in making art, and in the end I really like her. And there was one time I got very loose with blue, and so here is my head. I'm sorry for that, guys. And her eyes were very loose, and later on I made the eye perfect, and I was thinking while editing, why did I do that? I loved the way it was. But then again, this was about 3 years ago, and back then and even now I suffer from perfectionism. I try to overcome it and to stay loose, but sometimes I also get in my head, and yeah, I struggle sometimes. But for me it's important to get that out in the world, that everybody struggles. Every level of artists, I've worked with other artists and they struggle too. A lot of them are afraid to mention it, to say it out loud or to their students, but believe me, every artist is can be insecure in times, sometimes, and yeah, this is me trying to do the best I can. And yeah, while editing I could see I was struggling a little bit back then, and I still do sometimes. to be honest. And I'm all for letting see the whole process. So like every mistake I make, things that don't go the right way. And yeah, I mean, everybody can learn from each other. And yeah. So I hope you liked the video anyway. If you have any questions, please ask in the comments. I will try to answer as much of your questions as possible. And yeah, give me a like if you are here for the first time. Maybe consider to subscribe to my channel. That would mean the world to me. I've been absent for 3 years, but I'm trying to build up my community again with my people who love my art and just for who I am. Look at those eyes. I never should have changed them. I really liked it the way this looks. I really liked them. But then again, that's me now. And this was 3 years ago. But I didn't want to lose this video. So there are more of these kind of classes coming. This was a class and I have a couple of other ones. And I will edit them too. Although it's not easy to edit a live session from Facebook. The quality is not that great, but then again, I didn't want to lose this footage. So I hope you like it. Again, please subscribe if you like my art. Leave me a comment, even if you don't have a question. Yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Bye-bye.
Mixedmediaportrait.